This is my acting workshop upper school class. Right now we are working on a unit titled Mask and the physical actor. So we started by learning about levels of tension and speed and emotion and how we could interpret those physically through our bodies. And then we slowly moved on to the neutral mask. Now we've moved on to larval or basal masks. They're more playful in nature.
I'm really interested in theater as a whole, so I think that learning how to better convey my actions without relying on the crutch that is facial expressions and verbal communication is going to be a really good skill to learn.
It makes you uncomfortable, but yeah, with Ms. Gersh, she really establishes to be comfortable being uncomfortable and being good with what you're not good at. She's really trying to grow us as actors, make us better. It's really challenged me as an actor because I like to talk. I like to use my emotions, my face more, but since that's been taken away from me, I've kind of had to develop a new skill.
Definitely been a challenge, but at the same time, it's been kind of freeing.
The boys have really developed strong physical skills throughout this unit, and the playful nature that they approach each class with, I'm super proud of.